Experience clear and gentle pool water without the use of harsh chemicals, with very little maintenance. The choice is even clearer. Intex Crystal Clear Saltwater System. With easy setup, simply connect the hoses to the saltwater system and pour salt into the pool water. Then push the button to start. A small amount of natural chlorine is produced when the salt passes through a titanium cell. Bacteria and algae are eliminated in the process, leaving the water highly sanitized. The natural chlorine leaves your pool with the most gentle swimming experience. The pool water has only 1/10 of the salt compared to ocean water, making it gentler on your swimsuit and hair, leaving your senses refreshed. Swim into the luxury of your own saltwater pool with Intex Crystal Clear Saltwater System. The choice is clear. Feel and enjoy the difference.